Manmaru Izakaya Restaurant has opened its second branch here at Tomas Morato, Quezon City. They're open Mondays to Fridays from 11 a.m. to 12 midnight. Mas pinalaki ang area nito compared sa una nilang branch sa Makati. Napaka-cozy ng vibe ng kanilang interior and their staffs are very friendly and accommodating. Menu lang ang pag-uusapan, hindi ka mauubusan sa sobrang daming choices na pwede mong pagpilian. They have their signature dishes, ramen, curry, donburi, lunch menu, sashimi, drinks, mocktails, and many others. Gugustuhin mo makabalik ng ilang beses, masubukan mo lang lahat ng kanilang pagkain. Perfect talaga for family and group dining. Okay na okay din sa inyo if you're a couple, if you want to celebrate something special, or just your ordinary day. You can actually place advanced reservations if marami-rami kayo and meron kayong specific na oras na gustong pumunta sa restaurant. And if you want some privacy, they have private rooms doon sa kanilang second floor area. They have a big open kitchen kaya naman napakabilis din ang kanilang pag-serve. Hindi ba? Napakarami talaga ng menu nila hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin tapos. Here's what we ordered. Unang dumating ang aking tantanmen, napakasarap, sakto ang creaminess, sakto ang anghang, na-enjoy ko talaga. We also ordered ebi tempura, just the right amount of taste, medyo makapal nga lang yung breading. Umorder rin kami ng maguro sashimi, very fresh, and na-enjoy naman ang husband ko. Next is the Cani Mango Salad. Very unique yung kanyang serving kasi hindi lahat ng ingredients ay shredded, but we loved it. Overall, masarap yung mga nakain namin. Paniguradong babalik kami sa restaurant na to. Kaya naman kung gusto mong tumikim ng masasarap na authentic Japanese food, tara dito sa Manmaru Japanese Izakaya Restaurant.